Good morning and welcome back to the channel. As you can probably already tell by the title of the video, we made a huge mistake when we were pouring the concrete floor for the shop edition. This footage starts about 7:15 a.m. Everything is still good at this point. We're getting everything prepped for the concrete to show up at 7:30. There isn't going to be much for vehicles or heavy equipment stored out here, so I was on the fence as to whether or not to add rebar. This isn't a huge space, so I was able to do a 24-inch on-center grid of number 3 bar for only about $480 in material and about 4 hours of not very intensive labor. And here's where it all went horribly wrong. If you pay really close attention, you might be able to catch it. Right there. There it is. That's right. I didn't catch a single second pouring and finishing this floor. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.